Okay, I finally installed a pistol case, secure pistol case in the room here, because normally I would just bring my firearm upstairs in a holster and just have it lying around with me. But now I can actually leave something in here all the time. So I've done a code and I've done the biometric fingerprint. And it also has a key. And this particular one has a power source. The batteries were to die. I can use a USB-C power to fire up the unit, get into it, and replace the batteries. So I've already registered my fingerprint, so hopefully this will work.
Already unlocked.
And then I get a notification saying that it's unlocked, and I can disable the alarm as well, so it won't make a sound when I open it.
Successful.
So I'm gonna close it. I won't put the code in because I don't want you guys to see the code, so I'll just use my fingerprint again. See, and then no audio this time. And it's secured, anchored down. So I don't have to worry about somebody walking off with this because it's pretty secure. And I recommend that everyone gets one if you are protecting yourself with a firearm. And that is it.
Into the seat, and it'll be on basically a guide that allows this safe to come out clear the seat, and then open up. Obviously, it'll come out a little bit further and not hit that. But as you can see, that's basically where it'll sit. Put this down for a second so I can get a video, but I haven't built that, but the big reason is they already have these holes drilled, so that's what the frame's gonna lock into. First of all, really nice with the keys that they are blue, marked S as a safe, which is always nice. You won't mistake what they're for. Your biometric here, and you can put, I think, up to 6 thumbs or 6 fingers. I would probably do my index, maybe both my index and fingers, my wife's right thumb and index. You can also put a code. The biometrics is much quicker. Set your code. There's a nice padding all around this. So again, if I'm traveling with a firearm or something that I want to keep secure in this, it's padded every area that you could possibly want. Really, really, really nice. And it's, again, if this was to go on your dresser, they did include a wire, but man, you could bolt it down, and it's clean looking. It's very nice. Very nice safe. Can't wait to get it mounted under my seat and have a secure place in my truck.
This is a PINEWORLD K3 Biometric Smart Safe, and I always keep this baby nearby because you never know when you're going to need it.